Okay, guys, today we're gonna do something special. I'm gonna go into emotes. Emotes. We're gonna go for emotes again.
With the addition of the non-CHI scope for the Jamaica St. Leger, later renamed, the Jamaica St. Leger, with more. This year, we're excited to witness the second jewel of the 2026 Triple Crown Series. This is a race that has all horse racing fans chomping at the bit, as it promises to be a very competitive one, especially if the Jamaica 1,000 guineas are anything to go by just about 4 weeks ago. Dreamcatcher dominated the field of finishing at 1,000 guineas on June the 6th, while Salute the Don secured a win in the Jamaica 2,000 guineas on the following day. Before we get into the details of the 100th running of the Jamaica St. Leger, I'd like to congratulate our recent trophy winners and their connections. Congratulations to Nottingham Star, who ran away with the Enfield winner.
You know, people talk about Robux. I don't need Robux, bro. All you need is to do the pay to win on this game, bro. Pay to win, bro. Pay to win. Pay to win. Pay to win. Pay to win. You're pay to win. They're pay to winning. They're pay to winning. They're paying to. 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 Winning. Winning. Paying for 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 winning. When I get Robux, guys, which one of these characters should I buy with my Robux? This? Should I buy this or this? 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 Let's see, guys, when I get Robux. So, I do about this. Let's see. Alright, guys, you want to play a game? Alright, I'm gonna make you play a game. So, I'm gonna play this. This flick game that I love to play. I love to play, bro. I love play. I love playing this. I love playing that. I love playing this. I love playing that. I love playing that. I love playing this. I love playing this. I love playing this. I love playing that. I love playing this. I love playing that. So, go playing this. I love playing that. Okay, bro. Alright, guys, I'm playing this game. It's so fun. No, bro, he's hacking. He's hacking. No, what are you doing? bro, you run. Go inside. Game start. These people are not hacking. I hate the hack. What? What he's using? I can't bother around. There's these people. I don't know, bro. These people are signing, bro. I don't like when people behind me, bro. I don't like it. Go see them. No, hacker. I killed the hacker, bro. Got her thing. I'll murder him. Yeah. One game. He bodied her. Yeah, bro. I think you guys should go and subscribe to my channel. It's really good to me. I want to get famous. I ain't gonna I hope I meet people. Ooh, where is he? Where's Why? He jumped on his dad. Oh, he didn't jump. I don't snipe him. Hacker. No, I don't need the person. No, hacker. He's a hacker. Why is using hacker? Yeah, bro. Nah. I'll kill him. Nah, bro. He's sneak. He's sneaking. It's not fair. Nah. You was fighting that. Die.
I think I might have still there because I need to get a thing. I'm going to buy the summer one. I'm going to buy the summer one. Yeah, with the stickers.
Die.
Okay, so guys, we're just going to go one game. Instantly load in.
Like she's a hacker. I don't care. She's a hacker. She's a legend. Nah, he's not. I'm not ready. Nah, she saw that boy and I'm going to try
to use
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my friend.
I know you saw that. Bro, he's using hair. Nah, he hit me off. No. Nah, bro.
Oh my god.
Like something in there, sniper. Nah, bro. You shorty. Let's see. Nah, bro. You saw that trick. I am a trick shot.